Okay, let's see if we can get all 8 free gifts without making this ridiculously complicated. And before you start tapping around, there's one thing I want you to do first. Use the coupon code on the screen. Seriously, don't browse yet. Don't add anything to your cart. Activate the code first. Because the biggest mistake I kept seeing was people jumping straight into the free gift section, while completely ignoring the coupon offer sitting right in front of them. And if we're trying to get the most value out of this, why would we leave the coupon behind? Once the code is activated, go into the free gift section. Now you'll see the available gift offers for your account. This is where you choose your first few items. Don't just grab whatever looks expensive. Pick things you'd actually want if the promotion lets you claim them. Then keep moving through the available reward steps. You'll usually see different requirements depending on the promotion, so follow what your account is showing instead of blindly copying someone else's screen. And here's where the coupon becomes important again, as you're working through the offer. Check the available coupon bundle and discounts. If you're already placing an order to qualify for a promotion, you want that purchase to cost as little as possible. That's where the code on the screen can save you money while you're working toward the rewards. Now here's the part most videos skip. Don't assume you'll automatically get all 8 gifts. The number of gifts, requirements, and eligibility can vary by account and promotion. So if your screen shows fewer, that's normal. Don't start buying random stuff just to force the number higher. The smarter play is coupon first, check your available gifts, complete the requirements you actually want to complete. Use your discount when you're making the qualifying purchase. And keep an eye on the final terms before confirming anything. That's the 2026 approach I'd actually use. Not some complicated secret hack. Just making sure you're getting the best value out of the promotion that's already available to your account. And if your account really does show all 8 gifts, then you've got your mission. Pick your favorites, activate the coupon, complete the required steps, and see how many you can actually claim. Start with the coupon on the screen before you touch the free gift offer. Then check your account. Does it actually show all 8 gifts or a different number?